Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In our today's video, we'll learn about the first exercise. Actually, it's all first exercise of congruence of triangle class 9. Okay, so the first question. So this is the first question. Okay, so in quadrilateral ABCD, SCBD, AC and BD are equal. Okay, AC and BD are AC and AD are equal, and AB bisect BAC angle. So these two angles are same. Okay, these two angles are same. Now we have to prove that the triangle ABC and the triangle ABD are congruent. Okay, so in these two triangles, it is clear that AC and AD are same. It is given, or it is given. Since AB bisect these two angles, that means these two angles are also same. And AB is the common side. Okay, AB is the common side. So in these two triangles, by side angle, side congruency, these two triangles are congruent. Hence, we can say that this BD and BC are same because these are the congruent part of corresponding part of congruent triangle. Okay, so this is the first question. Now the second question states that it is given that ABCD is a quadrilateral. Okay, ABCD is a quadrilateral and AD equals to BC. AD equals to BC. This AD equals to BC. And DAB angle equal to CB angle. DAB, this upper angle equals to this angle. And we have to prove that ABD triangle is congruent to BAC triangle. ABD, that is this triangle. Okay, ABD. This triangle is congruent to this triangle. CBA, like this triangle. Okay. So first if you consider this two triangle, you can see that AD equals to BC. Okay, AD equals to BC, that is given with this equals to this. It is given, and you see that AB is the common side of both triangles in ABC and BAD, both triangles, and this angle is, these two angles are also same. So by side angle, side congruency, these two triangles are congruent, and hence by corresponding part of congruent triangle, you can say that BD equals to AC, as because this BD is the facing angle of this A angle and AC is the facing angle of this angle. So these two sides are also same, and hence also ABD angle and BAC angles are also same. ABD angle, ABD, this angle is also same with, this is the facing angle of AD side, and AD is same with BC. So facing angle of BC will be this angle, this small angle, BAC angle. Okay, so this is the question number 2. Now question number 3 says that AD and BC are equal perpendicular to a line segment AB. This AD is also perpendicular to AB and BC is also perpendicular to AB. So this B angle and A angle are 90 degrees. We have to show that CD bisects AB. CD, this line bisects AB. That means we have to show that BO equals to AO. So to prove this, we consider these two triangles, OBC and OAD. So it is clear that these two angles are vertically opposite angle. O angle. Okay. BOC, AOD. Okay, vertically opposite angle. Now these these angles are 90 degrees. It is given. And it is also given that AD equals to BC. It is also given. Okay. So by angle and side congruency, these two triangles are congruent, as the corresponding part are also have to be same. So this D angles equals to C angles, and this OA equals to OB. These are the corresponding part. Okay. So this is the question number 3. Now this question number 4. It says that L and N are two parallel lines intersected by another parallel lines P and Q. So here we have to prove that ABC triangle is congruent to CAD triangle. These two triangles we have to, so these are congruent. So here it is clear that BAC and these two angles are same. Why? These are alternate interior angles. Similarly, these two angles also, these angles equals to this angle. This is also alternate interior angle, and this is the common side AC. So by side angle congruency, these two triangles are congruent. Hence, it's proved. Now comes to question number 5. Here, this L line is the angle bisector of this PAQ angle. Okay, so these two angles are same since L is the angle bisector. Now BP and BQ are perpendicular from B, which is a point on L, to these two lines. Okay, so we have to show that these two triangles are same, congruent. That means that is APB congruent to AQB, APB congruent to AQB. Okay, so and hence we have to show this BP equals to BQ, which is the corresponding part of these two triangles. Now, so it is clear that these two angles are same. It is given, and this Q angles equals to P angles. So these two angles are also same because these are perpendiculars. BQ and BP are perpendiculars, and this BA side, this is the common side of these two triangles. So by angle side congruency, these two triangles are same, congruent. That means so, and hence the corresponding point that is BQ and BP, that is facing side of this angle and facing side of this angle. So these two sides are also same by corresponding part of congruent triangle. So this is about question number 5. Now come to question number 6. It says that we have a figure that is ABCDE, where AC equals to AE, AC equals to AE. These two are same, and this AD equals to AB. And also it is given that this angle BAD angle equals to this angle A is EAC angle. Okay, so we have to prove that this BC equals to DE. So to prove these two sides same, we have to consider two triangle. Okay, so two triangle PAC and DAE, and make this two triangle congruent. And hence by we use CPCT property to, so these two sides same. Okay, so now here we can see that if I add this DAC to both angle, that is we have given that BAD equals to EAC. It is given. Okay, it is given. Now I add DAC to both sides. So if I add BAD to DAC, that becomes BAD, and then DAC. So this becomes BAC. Similarly, if I add EAC to DAC, that becomes EAD. If I add this part, So this will become EAD. So these two are same. Okay, we use this. Now consider these two triangles BAD and DAE. So it is given that AB equals to AD. Okay, AB equals to AD, it is given. First one is AB equals to AD. AB is the, so it is like that. These triangles A, B, C, and another triangle this table. Sorry, A, C, sorry, A, D, E. So these two sides AB equals to AD. These are same, and we have proved that BAE angle equal to DAE angle. These two angles are also same. It is also given that AC equals to AE. AC equals to AE. It is also given. So these two triangles are congruent by side angle, side congruency. Hence, this BC equals to DE, that are the corresponding part of congruent triangle. The facing angle of A and facing angle of A. Okay. So this is about question number 6. Now comes to question number 7. Says that AB is a line segment. Okay, AB is a line segment where P is the midpoint. P is the midpoint. That means AP equals to PB. D and E are the points on the same side. Okay, D and E are the same side of AB. That is on opposite. Okay, so EAD and AB are same. So that ABAD and EAB are same. This angle same with this angle. Okay, and also this P angle same with this angle. Now we have to show that this DAP triangle is congruent to EPB triangle. DAP, this triangle. Okay, this triangle congruent to this triangle. This triangle. Okay. So here also we add this part. We add this part to these two angles. Okay, that is, we have given that EPA and DPB are same. Okay, it is given. Now I add DPE to both sides. So if I add DPE to EPA, this angle, if I add this, so this become this total whole angle, that is APT or DPA angle. Similarly, if I add this, if I add, so this is BPD angle. If I add this one, so this become whole, this angle, this total whole angle, that is EPB angle. So we will use this. Okay. Now, if DPA and EPB, oh, sorry, now in triangle DPA and DAP and EPB. Okay. We have proved that DPA and EPB are, these two angles are same. So these triangles are like this. So this one and this another one. That is E, P, B and A, P, D. Okay. So these two angles are same. We have already proved. Now AP equals to PB. It is also given as P is the midpoint. Now and DPA, that is these two, DPA, sorry, that is A angles, A angle and B angle are also, so this A angles is equals to this B angle. So by angle side angle congruency, these two triangles are congruent. Hence AD and BE are also same by CPCD, because AD is the facing side of P angle, and here also facing side of P angle, EB. So by CPCD, These two triangles are same. Now this is the last question of the exercise, and this is the proof. So you can understand. If you cannot understand with this proof, comment. Okay, comment about your doubt. We can solve in our next video. So this is all about our today's video. If you enjoy the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Okay, thank you.